Some prayers take time, and when the days turn into months and still nothing changes, it is easy to wonder if God is listening at all. In today's gospel, Jesus gives us the story of a widow who refused to walk away. She kept returning to a judge who did not fear God and did not care about anyone. And still, she persisted. Eventually, her persistence broke through his coldness, and he granted her justice. Jesus tells this story for one reason: to remind us not to give up in prayer. Silence doesn't mean God is distant. Delay doesn't mean God is ignoring you. Sometimes the waiting is where faith grows the strongest. So stay faithful, keep praying, keep bringing your heart before the Lord, because God hears you. Every word, every tear, every hope, and in His perfect time, He will answer. Amen.